Right beyond the water upon the land lies a pretty city, small but grand, full of fun adventures every day, and lots of friends who like to play. But it won't take so long until something goes wrong. It's time for heroes, call the heroes, see these heroes on their way. Fiona puts out every fire soon. Polly Scar looks out for clues. But calamity growing faster than these troubles don't won't ever last. 'Cause when things go so wrong, our heroes are strong. It's time for heroes, call the heroes, see these heroes on their way.
Heroes of the City. Stormy weather.
Oh no, all my lovely fruit, and I'm supposed to go to a fruit exhibition today. Rotten bananas, this wind. Luckily, my most beautiful exhibition apples are safely packed away on my truck bed. I'd better hurry now, otherwise I'll be late. Oh no, applesauce.
No, come here. Oh, I said come, but now stop it. Oh. Oh no, oh no.
Yeah, let's hope there won't be any accidents because of the strong winds.
Goodness, let's at least hope nothing serious happens. Like someone being hit on the head by a lamppost, for example.
Well, then I suggest you move back a little. Otherwise, I might fall on you.
Yeah, Fiona and I are probably worst off over here. The chance of us falling on you is pretty slim, don't you agree?
That sounds about right. Alice Alarm is probably the safest out of us three.
Yeah, I would be very surprised if I got hit on the head by a fire engine. I should never have said that.
Oh dear, are you okay?
I'm all right. It's probably a lot worse for the bird. Emergency services. Yes? Okay. Sure. Over and out. Listen up. This was a highly unusual call. The mayor has lost a very important document due to the wind. He needs help finding it and catching it.
Gosh, I wonder what kind of document it is if it's that important.
Yeah, but of course we'll help him. If he says it's important, it probably is.
So now it's action time!
Yeah!
Yeah!
Wee-hoo! Hooray for my awesome kite! And hooray for the wonderful wind! Higher, my kite! Higher!
Oh my, careful, Calamity Crow. Don't fly your kite so high, an accident might happen.
Hi, Frankie. Accident? What could possibly happen? I've been waiting a long time for this wind so that I can fly my lovely kite. I've got to let it fly high. Wee-hoo!
Well then, don't blame me later if something happens.
Hello there. What's going on?
Hi. I'm so glad you could come. My document has blown away. My incredibly important document.
Calm down. We'll help you. What does the document look like?
It's just a normal white paper, but one of the corners is gone, and there's a red stamp on it.
Okay, then we know what it looks like. Did you see in which direction it went?
Yes, it whirled down the road, in that direction.
Let's go on a paper hunt. Come on, Polly. Look, a piece of paper. It could be the mayor's.
Yeah, we have to try to catch it.
Shame, you nearly had it there.
Oh! Goodness, what's going on?
Oh, hi, Tommy. We're chasing an important document that's blown away in the wind. But this was obviously just an ad for car wax. It'll be tricky finding the right paper in this horrible wind.
Achoo! Car wax? That's also pretty important stuff. So you think it's windy, huh? Then you should have seen the wind they used to get back in Grandpa's day. The winds were so strong back then that they had to nail down the paint so it wouldn't blow completely off. It's true, I'll tell you.
We have to continue our search. Have you seen any other papers blowing past?
Nah, I don't think so, Fiona. Haven't seen anything, not as far as I can remember.
All right, thanks anyway. See ya.
Bye-bye.
Oh, gee, that was close. Just my luck. I can't get through here. Oh, and I'm in such a hurry for the exhibition. I'll have to take a different road. Oh dear, oh dear.
There! Maybe that's the paper we want.
But that paper is yellow. The mayor's paper is supposed to be white.
That's true. You're right. What about that one?
Yes, that's probably it. Hurry, Polly, try and catch it.
Oh no! It flew down into that manhole. There's a crocodile down there.
Crocodile? That sounds dangerous. How are we gonna get the document?
What's going on?
We're chasing an important document, and now it has flown into that manhole where a dangerous crocodile lives.
A crocodile? I'm not afraid of crocodiles. I just need to switch tools and then I'll be able to sort this out.
Oh, will you? You are such a star.
With this grip, I should be able to fish the paper out without any danger. Now you'll get to see a pro in action. All right, let's see. I've got it.
Great. Thanks, Robbie.
It looks like it's the right one. One corner is missing, and I see a red stamp.
Perfect. Do you think you could come along and hand the document to the mayor?
Absolutely. The mayor must hear about my heroic deed today. He usually calls me lazy.
Listen. What's that sound over by the building site?
Wow, nice one, Kite. Gee, I'm beginning to wonder. This is really hard work. Ah! Oh dear, this is so tricky. Ah!
I'm in such a hurry, and I get lost as well. How am I going to make it?
Wow!
Look out, you lousy crow! You're soiling my apples.
Oh my, I'm awfully sorry. I was just a bit unlucky. It happens to me sometimes.
Rhubarb and peaches. I can't believe this. What are you laughing at? I've had a really rotten morning and I'm late for the exhibition when I get my apples soiled by a crazy crow dipped in muck.
Surely it's not that bad. Wait, just let me help you. There you go. Your apples are nice and clean again. If you leave now, I'm sure you'll be able to make it.
Oh, thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Are you all right, Calamity Crow?
Sure, tip-top. But now I'll have to try to find my kite.
and we'll continue our drive to the mayor. Take it easy, Crow. Hello there, Mayor. We believe we found your document.
You have? But that's fantastic!
Here it is.
Yes, that's the one! Hooray!
What sort of document is it, by the way?
Oh, it's a very nice diploma, which I'll be honored to hand over to the city's emergency services.
Huh?
Oh, yes. I hereby give you, heroes of the city, this fine diploma. On account of you always solving the problems and mysteries of this city with great bravery.
Gee, well, there you go. I guess you're also important to the city. Sometimes.
Thank you.
Oh, that's really wonderful. Thanks.
I'll make sure to get it framed as soon as it stopped blowing. Then I'll bring it over to the emergency services.
Great. Speaking of which, we should probably head back now.
Yes, thanks for the diploma. And thanks, Robbie, for your help. Goodbye.
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 All right. What about my diploma?
Your diploma? I'll probably be able to dig something out if you really want one.
You will? Oh, thanks, Mayor. That'd be really sweet.
Hi, how did it go? Did you manage to catch the flyaway document?
Yeah, we sure did. It was a diploma for us at the emergency services. The mayor is just gonna frame it before bringing it over to us.
I see. Congratulations. So you've been chasing your own diploma around town.
Yeah, it seems like it. We also had to help Frankie Fruit. Calamity Crow managed to soil his exhibition apples.
Oh dear. I'm relieved everything is back to normal again. Thanks to my award-winning heroes. The heroes of the city. Well, at least most things are back to normal.
Hiya!
Hi, Crow. I'm sorry I got so agitated earlier. I didn't mean to yell like that.
Oh, don't worry about it. No problem. What a nice trophy you've got.
Thanks. I won first place for the best apples. Here, have one.
Oh, thanks.
Goodbye. Take a look, Calamity Crow. I've been given an award.
Right. And I've been given an apple.